Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing super well. So in today's video, I've got my very first Valentine's inspired nail video. I'm super excited. It's one of my favorite seasons of the year and I'm so excited to be filming this today. And I'm excited for you guys to see all the rest of the nails I've got planned to film. My channel will be filled with Valentine's themed nails. I hope you guys are all okay with that. I will try and do a variety, so maybe one video Valentine's, one video not, and just give a bit of a variety because I'm sure some of you will be sick and tired of seeing Valentine's everywhere. But it's literally my favourite time. I love the pinks and reds and the hearts that get involved in these sets. So super excited to show you guys what I'm going to create. I don't even know what I'm going to create just yet, but I've got 1 or 2 sets already done. But yeah, I'm just so excited. I hope that I pull through and get some nice nail designs for you guys all. So for today's video, it's a fairly simple set. Doesn't scream too much Valentine's. I wanted it to be a fairly subtle kind of nail design because I know not everyone wants crazy red hearts everywhere, screaming Valentine's straight from the get-go. So I thought it would be a nice way to ease into Valentine's with a nice simple set. So as usual, I've already buffed my personal nails. I also applied some nail cleaner, and the nail cleaner I use is from Miley. And I also applied a base coat. And now we are applying our first layer of the base colours we're using. So for that baby pink you saw me using is the colour called Pink Pudding. And it's the number 4627-7. And it's from the company called Neo Nail. And it's one of my super favourite colours. I love this company too. I don't really have a lot of gel polishes from it. I'm not too sure exactly why. I think I've tried to look at their website once to see if I could get some more, because I did get this gel polish on holiday. And I didn't really like their website. I hated the way they show like the colours they have, so it just put me off straight away and I just never ordered. Semilac on the other hand, I love their website. I love how they just do everything, so I do end up buying more from Semilac than Neo now, which is a bit of a shame. But yeah, just their website is kind of throwing me off. I don't really like it much. And that sparkly colour, that pink sparkly gel polish that I use is from the company called Cloud Beauty, and it's in the number 2129. That's the shade or gel polish colour number, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It sparkles so much in person. I'm not sure the video is giving it justice, but it's so cute. And I've decided to pop that colour on the ring finger. The thumb, index and middle have got that Neo Nail pink colour, and then the pinky I decided to just keep it nice and simple and just keep it a white, just in combination with a French tip we're going to do later, which is going to be using the white colour. So I thought that the white on the pinky will suit perfectly, basically. So now that the 2 shades have been applied, two layers of the base colour, I can now apply some top coats. So we're going to top the pinky and we're going to top that ring finger because they are done, so we're able to just top it. The whole set will be using a glossy top coat. I didn't really want matte. I feel like Christmas has just used up all of their matte top coats. So I thought, nope, not matte. We're going to do some glossy. I will try and experiment with some Valentine's matte sets, but for this video it's just glossy. And then before popping the whole set in the lamp, I felt like the thumb was going to look a bit bare, so I thought why not apply that sparkly gel polish that we use on the ring finger on the thumb on top of that pink gel polish, and it looks super cute in person. It looks so nice. I'm so happy I did that because the ring finger looks actually fairly sheer. Because obviously this gel polish isn't really pigmented, it's mainly focusing on the glitters, so I do like how I did that on top of that pink, and they looked super nice. And now also, before we pop the whole set into the lamp, we're going to work on that middle finger, and that middle finger is going to have a French tip. So using a white and my nail art brush, I'm just outlining the French tip where I want it, and then I believe off camera I went off and I just quickly filled it in. Here it is in all its glory, and then I believe that's kind of where we're going to keep that one. Yep, we are. And we're going to pop the whole set into the lamp. And now when it comes back out, we are going to apply a second coat of that French tip. I always do 2 coats because it always feels like it's sheer. And literally the moment you apply the second coat, everything just like levels out perfectly and it looks absolutely amazing. I do believe I think filled it all up off camera. I'm not too sure. I do often like to do that sometimes just because I feel like I just don't want to bore you guys. I feel like sometimes it can be boring, like you've seen it once. I don't feel like you need to see it another time. I don't know. Some days I feel like I want to keep it in. Some days I feel like I don't. I don't know. But yeah, I always do 2 coats of the French tip, and with this French tip we're also going to apply some pink butterflies on later too, which I feel like it looked so cute and classy and very subtle. I love it so much. And I also really like the crystal placement we're going to do on this nail. I went a bit creative. I went out of my comfort zone. I just went mad with the crystals a little bit. Well, by mad, I don't mean like a lot, but the way we place the crystals in today's video is going to be very different to what I normally do. I combined some crystals I wouldn't normally do either. But before we get there, we are going to apply some top coat onto the thumb finger, as that one has already been cured. The glitter's on there for good now, so we're going to apply our glossy top coat on that nail, and then I believe we're going to pop the whole set in the lamp, potentially whilst we're working on the index finger and the crystals. Not too sure what I did in just a second. But yeah, with the crystals, I combined some AB crystals, some this white heart crystal gem thing I had, also some pink crystals. It was just a wide variety, and it was something I'd never done before, so it was kind of scary, but I feel like it came out fairly nice. Now that the set is out of the lamp, we're going to work on that middle finger once more. I'm just using a nail wipe liquid with my lint-free wipes, and I'm just getting off that tacky layer, because I feel like with the stickers, it just makes the stickers lift whilst you're putting top coat on, and it doesn't really stick on nicely. So using my nail, I really wanted to make sure that sticker sticks on there forever. And then on top of that, I'm just applying some glossy top coat, and that will be almost the set done. But we've got one more nail to do once this top coat gets applied, and that's that index finger. For that finger, we are going to do some crystals, which I'm excited for you guys to see. There was a slight malfunction. I think malfunction is the word. And we used this heart gem crystal thing I had. And I don't know why, but after popping it into the lamp, it comes out. So originally it's white, and it comes out like yellow. And I'm not sure why, but I want you guys to know that it's fine, because after popping it into the lamp, it comes out yellow. I was very confused and shocked and worried, and then after a few hours it went back to just white. So don't worry if you guys have them, do it. Just make sure that if you are sending it to a customer, you do wait a while and make sure it's white before you send it, because the customers are really going to be confused when it comes back yellow. So this is right now the heart that I am talking about. It's super cute, but yeah, you will see in a video that I will show you guys, and it's yellow. But I do also show you the set I did prior to this. The other hand, it was already done, and I was trying to show you guys that it does go back to yellow, because this exact same thing happened to the other hand. So don't worry, I think it's so funny. This is the first time it happened to me. Very weird. But yeah, quickly going back to the crystal nail, at the top we've got like a teardroplet followed by a heart, and then a long, I don't know, like a long thin crystal, and they're all both AB. And then right at the bottom of that long one, we use a pink crystal, and then around that heart and that long crystal, we are also applying some of those pink crystals I have. I've had them for quite some time. I've only got one size. I believe it's size number 8. I'm not sure. I think it is 8. I feel like I always get 8s for some reason. I don't know. Just to test them out. I do believe I ordered some more different sizes of that crystal, just because in person this pink is so gorgeous. I feel like it would pop so nicely on like a white background, or like a black in particular. Just because this nail had a pink background, it didn't pop as much as I would have liked it to, but in person it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. They are AliExpress crystals. They don't sparkle as much as normal Swarovski, especially now that you can't really get your hands on Swarovskis anymore. It's really hard since they've stopped selling them. These Ali crystals are a perfect alternative. So this is what the set is looking like. Popped into the lamp, and as you can see, that heart is no longer white. It's, I don't know, orange, yellow. Don't know what happened, don't know why, but trust me guys, it does go back down. So yeah, so now that this is the last nail to get done, I am popping in some glossy top coat, and you want to pop that just around the crystals. Try and avoid the crystals as much as possible. You know, especially as they are not Swarovskis, they don't sparkle as much. So if you are going to pop some top coat onto those, you will dim them down even more, which is definitely not something you want. So just try and avoid as much as possible. And yeah, and then pretty much after popping that glossy top coat on, the whole set will be done. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you feel like it is Valentine's-y enough. Is it not? I don't know. I wasn't too sure. I just wanted it as subtle as possible just to start it all off. And here is that nail in the other hand that I did, and it's definitely white. So it is confirmed it will go back to white. But yeah guys, this is the final results. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!